So the next thing I'm about to show you guys is so embarrassing. It's so old. Well, it's not finished and I'm a Nigerian, so I'll use it to the bottom. Welcome back to my channel. Good morning. It's Becca. So today I want to show you guys recipes and DIY on how I do my homemade lip balm. And yeah, I just woke up and I washed my face. I'm about to scrub my lips. So yeah, the homemade recipe is so easy, and you just need 3 ingredients, which is sugar, lime, and honey. Then with a bowl, of course, to mix wicks. Yeah, so just watch the processes and we'll get to it. So in the bowl, you add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of lime. Then you mix properly. I'm using a rubber spoon because I don't want the sugar to crush totally, because I'll be needing it to scrub. Yeah, that's it. That's my big eye. Yeah, I know. That's basically it. It's ready for use. After mixing everything, make sure it's mixed properly. See, I see. So after this, you just, I don't know, you get the little, oh, yeah. Don't mind me, I'm looking at the mirror. Don't worry about the taste, it's not bitter. Honey is sweet, sugar is sweet, except lime that is a little bit harsh, but it's okay.
A few moments later.
The camera stopped recording. I had no idea after hours. So anyways, you scrub. Look at my lips now. I'm looking at the mirror. Just take 1 second to appreciate my skin. Are you seeing the glow? Yeah. So hold for like 5 minutes. Yeah, and it should be fine. Like when you scrub, your lips texture is kind of soft, soft like baby butt. Yeah, that's it. So a normal person wipe this off, but as for me, because the taste is good. I'm looking at the mirror. Hope I'm not doing too much. So look at my lips. So after that, you add your body cream, pomade, any lip oil, but I don't like using oil, so I go with my body cream. And you guys should not be embarrassed because my body cream is not what you think it is. This is my body cream. I don't know how they do this, but this is my body cream. This is what I use. I stopped using normal body cream, so I will use it as my lip. Oh yeah, I don't know the right name, but I don't use that. So this is what they call Oriayo, but I use it for my body. So this is a fermented one, and yeah, it's all good. So apply, just rub all over your lips. Yeah, not just on top your lips, all over. So the next thing I'm about to show you guys is so embarrassing. It's so old. Well, it's not finished and I'm a Nigerian, so I'll use it to the bottom. So yeah, my lip balm. This is the one I used. Now just apply it on your lip. Gosh, this thing is strong. Hey way. Okay. Highlight on it. It's not coming out. Oh, I mean, I'm looking at the mirror, so if I'm not looking at the camera, I just know I'm looking at the mirror. Are you see my lips? So guys, that's it on DIY lip scrub and lip balm. So for those of you that have money to buy the real one, the skincare brands are selling, you can do this at home and your lips still be good, still be flawless. Kisses. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video. Many people can't afford organic skincare, so at least this lip one will work for them. So bye.
Body, I'm an icon, man. I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.